Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the Amazon Basics Lightning to Type-C connector, which is available for a very affordable rate. And in the box we don't get anything apart from the cable and the leaflet. And coming to the quality, guys, I really like it, and it is not a braided kind of cable, but it's of high quality. And I got this on Amazon for $3.99. You can check out the link in the description if you want to buy this particular product from Amazon, which I feel is must have. So it is one of the most affordable products, especially comes to Lightning to Type C. And as you can see, it is very nice. So if you like this kind of videos, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press the bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. Also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at the rate Creative Soft, which would help my channel a lot. Let me just check how is the Type-C connector of this. So I'm just connecting it to my Android phone, and the connection is very stable. I can use it with my case also on it, so this would definitely go on a power brick, guys. And the Lightning connector, you can use it with your iPhones and iPad, and that is the main purpose which I brought this particular cable for. So I just wanted this as my backup cable compared to the Apple's original cable, guys. So as you all know, it breaks and it is very brittle, the original cable. And I'm a big fan of black things, guys. So I really like the color. That is one of the reason, and I wanted something very light as this. And if you see, even the cable itself, it is very thick, guys, as you can see. And it is having this nice Amazon Basics logo and some nice design also. So as far as design is concerned, there is no complaint from my end, guys. And I'm getting a very good data transfer rate also, especially from when I'm transferring across Windows laptop. I mean, from my iPhone to the Windows laptop, I'm getting a very good data speed. And charging, yeah, it works with the 20-watt adapter also. I tested with that out too, and I'm getting decent charging speed also, as good as the original cable. So I feel for $3.99 this is one of the most affordable Type-C to Lightning connector, and definitely it's like must have for anyone using iPhones. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular cable, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please check out all these other videos which we have it on our channel, and also subscribe to our channel Creative Soft, because there is always something new to learn. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.